This is a Vidalia onion, Granny Smith apple slaw. It's your old pal Poppa. Can you imagine this? I'm cooking again. Well, this started with a bologna sandwich. Then James said, we need some slaw. So let me start by showing you how to make an apple slaw. You got apple vinegar, Mexican crema. You can substitute sour cream, mayonnaise, hot honey, apple juice. I love Martinelli apple juice. Happy Ending by Big Poppa. So what we're going to do, 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise, or 5. Get rid of that pesky. Now we're going to take 4 tablespoons of Mexican crema. This is a little easier, kids. 1, 2, 3. Let's go 3. A tablespoon, and we can adjust this to taste, of the apple cider vinegar. It's actually apple vinegar. We do a tablespoon of apple juice. Hot honey, not for heat, not for sweet, but to balance the recipe. So we're just going to put just a little squeeze in there, just to knock the edge off. That Big Poppa's Happy Ending, about 1/8 of a teaspoon. Now I'm going to whip it up. That's a beautiful apple slaw. I might need to make it again. Let's do the Vidalia onion. What we want to do is we want to go really thin. Mandarin's great, but be very careful. So we're going to slice thin, I don't know, maybe 1/4 to 1/2. We have here our Granny Smith apples, and I want to get that mixed in with this to maybe slow down the oxidization of the apples. Look, one of the things you do is you keep playing around. Don't just use the same vinegars. Go to a store and look in that vinegar section and see if there's a flavor you like. Like apple vinegar, I just bought this. It just showed up and I said, oh man, that's a coleslaw. That's a coleslaw. That's a coleslaw waiting to happen. Now, before we fold in the dressing, I always like to do this. Just give it a nice cover. Now what we want to do is toss it. So we spread it around. We want to bring the apples up, mix the onions in. Before I toss it, I might just give it a little bit of love, just a little bit. So this might have 1/4 of a teaspoon on it. So let's drizzle. That's one of the only things you can use. A meteorologist or a cook talks about drizzling. So maybe that's why I want to cook, so I can drizzle. Gloved hands are so perfect for this. This is good. We'll refrigerate it until we need it for sandwiches. And that's my apple Vidalia onion slaw.